Man, I can't believe we couldn't find any toys here. What are we going to do now? Oh no, don't worry, Jack Jack. We'll get toys for you soon. Dash, what are we going to do? We have to get Jack Jack some toys before he gets angry. You're right. There's no way we can control him when he's mad. We've got to think of a plan quickly. Calm down, Jack Jack. Just wait a little longer.
Hey, I can help you guys get some surprise toys.
Really? You can get us surprise toys? Could you please help us out?
Of course. I can make you surprise toys using this magic microwave. But I'm going to need your help getting some items.
Are you sure this is going to work? You know what? We have no time. We'll have to trust you. Yeah, what do you need us to get?
Any type of candy should do the trick.
I think I saw some candy in the store. I'll go get some right now. All right, I got some candy.
All right, let's see what we've got. Looks like you brought Incredibles Pez candies. One for each of you. I'm gonna take a wild guess and say that y'all are fans of the Incredibles.
Dash, of all the candies you could buy, you bought ones that have our faces on them? They were right next to the door, and we need to hurry. Can you make some toys for Jack Jack, please?
All right, since Jack Jack wants a toy, let's use this Jack Jack Pez candy dispenser. We get 2 candy flavors, and here's how the Jack Jack Pez dispenser looks. All we have to do is lift his head to insert the candy. Before we make the toy, let's compare the real Jack Jack to the Pez candy Jack Jack. They look similar, but the Pez Jack Jack has longer spiky hair. All right, Jack Jack, give us 1 minute. You'll have your toys in no time. Let's put the Pez candy dispenser and the candies into the magic microwave. Now watch what happens. Yes! The magic microwave transformed the Pez candies and dispenser into surprise toys. Let's see what we got. Our first surprise toy is this My Little Pony Cutie Mark Crew collectibles. And our second surprise toy is this Troll Series 7 blind bag.
Wow, it really worked. Whoa, that's so cool. All right, let's open them up.
Here, let me help. Let's start by opening this My Little Pony one. Today we got Sunset Shimmer. And our giant accessory is this pizza slice. Let's put Sunset Shimmer inside the pizza slice. Nice! Can't go wrong with pizza. Alright, now let's open up this Troll Series 7 blind bag. Today we got a purple troll with pink hair, teal overalls, and a green nose.
It worked. Looks like Jack Jack is happy. All right, so whose turn is it next? You can go first, Violet. What? Really? That's so unlike you. It's not like the microwave's going anywhere. I can wait. Aw, thanks, Dash.
Okay, since it's Violet's turn, let's use Violet's Pez candy dispenser. Here's how the Violet Pez candy dispenser looks. Let's compare it to the real Violet. The real one's obviously more beautiful, but they did a good job with the Pez candy one too. Alright, Now let's put the candies and the dispenser into the microwave. We'll get surprise toys in just a minute. Awesome! 2 more surprise toys! The first one is this Moj Moj blind bag. Let's open it up. Our first surprise is, we found a black shimmery hedgehog. And our second surprise is this clear bunny. Let's move on to our second surprise toy. It's a Num Noms Collectibles. Our Num is OJ Icing. Here's a closer look at OJ Icing. Now let's see who our Nom is. We found a Shimmerit, and it's a special edition one. We found Strawberry. Here's a closer look at Strawberry. Now let's check out the Shimmer. Awesome! Check out this shade of pink.
All right, it's finally my turn. I wonder what surprise toys I'm going to get.
All right, since we're giving Dash a surprise toy, let's open this Dash Pez candy dispenser. Here's how the Dash Pez candy dispenser looks. Let's compare it to the real Dash. Well, the real Dash has blonde hair, and the Pez candy dispenser has brownish yellow hair. Other than that, they look similar. Of course, the real Dash is more handsome. Alright, let's make some more surprise toys for Dash. Throw all these into the magic microwave. Surprise toys coming right up. Whoa! We got 3 surprises! Our first surprise is this Jamming Jelly surprise toy. Alright, so we get 2 powder packets. Let's look at the instructions. Fill to waterline, add 1 scented slime powder pack, shake until well mixed, and sit for 10 minutes. Oh, awesome! It's slime! So let's pour water up to this line right here. Use 1 packet. Now shake. Got it well mixed, so now we just have to let this sit for about 10 minutes. While we wait for that, let's open up our next 2 surprises. We got 2 Hatchimals eggs. Rub this purple heart. Now let's poke through. Check it out! We found Donkey Moo! Now let's crack open the second egg. Give me a second. Awesome! It's Breezy ZBrush. Alright, now let's see how our jelly slime turned out. Oh, looks pretty good. Let's take it out. Awesome! Here's the purple jelly slime.
Thank you so much for helping us out. I don't know what we would have done without you. Yeah, who knows how much damage Jack would have caused.
Well, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to click that subscribe button for more awesome videos. See ya!